Do you notice anything funny about how this bear is chowing down, though? If you haven't seen it yet, watch closely. Despite literally thousands of fish in easy grabbing distance, this bear is being very picky about which fish to grab. Why? It's looking specifically for a female salmon. Once again, why? Watch closely. This bear is not fishing for salmon meat, but rather salmon caviar. And it's not because this is a posh bear, it's because it's a survivor. Remember in episode 17 when we talked about how the nutritional value of salmon flesh changes in the spawning phase? These salmon are well into that phase, and so their flesh is very bland and weak, not really worth the effort of killing and eating the fish. The eggs, on the other hand, are packed with nutrition. With thousands of fish swarming the river, this bear can afford to forego that not quite so worth it meat and fill up on fatty, hibernation-fueling caviar. Hey guys, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give us a like.
Subscribe to our channel.
Send us a comment below. And for exclusive content and a behind the scenes view of the Art We There Yet journey,
Join us on Patreon.
see you over on Patreon.